Welcome to Soil Sampling, a simple how-to guide. I'm Jim Hillary, the Agriculture and Natural Resources Extension Agent for Virginia Cooperative Extension in Loudoun County, Virginia. Soil fertility is a measure of soil's ability to provide plants with the nutrients necessary for growth and development. In short, grasses, legumes, and forbs that may be desirable as livestock inputs grow best in soil that is fertile. So how do you know whether soil is fertile? There are some visual characteristics of fertile soil, like the presence of earthworms. However, visual indicators won't tell us important information, such as whether the pH or potassium levels are adequate. That information is necessary to make informed fertilizer and lime purchases for a farm, and it requires soil sampling, soil analysis, and a soil test report. Soil sampling is the process of collecting soil for a soil test. Soil analysis is a chemical or physical measurement completed in a laboratory. A soil test report is a written presentation of observations and recommendations following a soil analysis. The process of soil sampling is the first step in identifying soil fertility using a soil test. Together, soil sampling and soil testing are similar to a medical checkup. Ideally, soil sampling will lead to higher plant yield and quality by gathering soil correctly for accurate lime and fertilizer recommendations. Soil analysis or soil test data provides the information needed to establish a soil baseline at a given time. With a baseline, you can monitor your soil to identify and address nutrient deficiencies, excesses, or imbalances. Information from a soil test will help you select the proper liming and fertilization amounts to obtain optimal growth of pasture plants. Therefore, sampling correctly is necessary for accurate analysis. Soil test results are no better than the sample submitted to the laboratory for analysis. One of the most important steps in soil testing is collecting the sample. Soil sampling begins with a visit to the local extension office to gather soil box and an accompanying soil information sheet. A soil sample should be representative of the area to be tested. Pastures or areas that you recognize as unique should be sampled separately. This means that you may have one sample for your back pasture and another for your front pasture. Take soil from locations in the sampled area and mix it together in a clean plastic bucket. Use clean sampling tools and containers. Don't use tools or containers that have been used for mixing or applying fertilizer or limestone, because a small amount of residue on tools or containers can contaminate the sample. Use a trowel or a soil corer to collect soil samples. Other tools to consider using are a shovel or a battery-powered drill with an auger bit. When you take soil samples, remove any surface litter such as turf, thatch, or mulch. For pastures, sample to a depth of 4 to 6 inches. Soil for a sample should be collected in a clean plastic bucket and thoroughly mixed. Fill the soil sample box to the indicated line with the mixed soil. Supply all the information asked for on the soil sample box. On the soil sample information sheet, list your name and address, crop information, and the sample number. You will see that the information on the soil box and information sheet will match. This is the information that tells the soil test technician which result data will be most helpful for making decisions about amending your soil. Soil sample boxes and information sheets are available from your county extension office. Some offices may have a soil corer that you may borrow. The locations and operating hours vary, so call ahead first. Thank you for watching Soil Sampling, a simple how-to guide. If you have questions, please call or email me. I'm Jim Hillary, the Agriculture and Natural Resources Agent for Loudoun County, Virginia. Here's my contact information.